Hi, it's Randy. Nice to see you here. This is kind of unscripted, um, but I want to tell you a little bit about what I'm doing and how this might help you. Um, Years ago, I got into the web design business. That was 2003. I've done Bootstrap and WordPress and HTML and CSS and all of that stuff. Forget that. None of that really worked until I started driving for Uber. I needed a job and I signed up for this guy's deal. He said, I've got a brand new car, drive it for Uber, and we'll split the take 50-50. And he gave me a link to sign up with Uber. Okay, I was making some money because I had a good driver's license and a good driving record, but no car. He had the car, but no driver. And so it was a good deal. I was making money every week and getting the money deposited into my account where it belonged and giving him half. And he paid all the bills. That was pretty cool. But then I got a bonus from Uber and it was $500. When I got a bonus, he got a bonus. And when he got a bonus, he was looking for new drivers. And that was the deal. He was wanting the bonuses from Uber to pay for his car. And it made sense. It was good money. He didn't have to do anything for it but buy the car. Well, I realized that I didn't need to buy a car to do that kind of thing. I needed a website. And I'd already been making websites, most of which had been for clients or for my own edification or just fun projects or solving problems. But they hadn't really been making money. And now I knew what to do with this. This is essentially the affiliate marketing business. You find people who are ready to buy something and you invite them to buy it with your click, and now you get credit for it. Now, there are some people who just say, click my link, click my link, click my link, and I don't want to see that or hear that, and neither do you. But when you have a problem and you solve that problem, then your advice counts for something. And when you say what's working for you, what you've tried that didn't work, what the problem was, what you tried that didn't work, how you fixed that problem, and where you got it, now people are interested. Fast forward to the present. We're all locked up in our homes in some fashion, and we're all realizing that essential business is corporations and big business, and the rest of us are kind of non-essential in this context. Maybe you're unemployed, like a lot of people. Maybe you're ADD or hyperactive, like I am. Or maybe you're old, like I am. I'm 70 this year. Maybe you feel like you've got to do something to help make the world a better place. Maybe things are getting really bad really quick and you need some quick cash. There are lots of things that can be done, and it kind of means that we have to do things in a different way. We have to do things in a new way. What I like about website stuff and online technology is you do the work once and you get paid again and again and again and again. As opposed to working for somebody else and you do the work over and over and over and over and get paid once. I like doing the work once and getting paid again and again and again. And that's the beauty of doing a website or something else online. You do the work and it's polished. And every time somebody visits your website, the website does the work and it does the same thing again and again and again. And you get paid again and again and again. Now, there are problems with every business. There are things to learn with every business. There are challenges in every business. This is not get rich quick. It's not easy work. Oftentimes, I put in 20-hour days, like yesterday. Some days it goes well and some days it doesn't. But overall, it's getting better and better and better. And I've been thinking every day I woke up in a new world, and you probably did too. And every day I've been thinking, what is it that you need to get your family fed, to get your business back on track, to get your bills paid? I've got several things that I think would work for you. Affiliate marketing is the quickest way to do this, because if you simply invite somebody to buy something and they can see real value in it and they make a purchase, you get the credit and you get the cash. So here's a starter. Everything that I have, a website builder, WordPress hosting, SSL, domain names, website security, all of that stuff to make websites and make them run. I also have an email marketing list, by the way, and email at your domain. That's the quickest, easiest, cheapest way to advertise your domain, your website, is to say info@myname.com, whatever. I'll give you half of the sign-up fee for that. It's $99 and it takes everything down to absolute cost. Anybody who uses your link to sign up automatically gets my products at cost, and you get close to $50. I have a 30-day guarantee, so they have to go past the 30 days, and then I have to crunch the numbers, and I pay with PayPal as soon as I can. So that's one thing you can do, and it costs you nothing to sign up. It costs you nothing to make the referrals and spread the word, and it's up to people what they want to do with it. The second thing is you can try out my website builder. It costs a couple bucks. I think it's under $20 for 1 month. And you could try it. It's actually fun and easy, and there's a link for this below. This is what I also recommend. You can try it. You don't even have to have a domain name. You can change your mind as often as you want to. You can make something and decide you don't like it and redo it. Doesn't matter. You can roll it back. You can replace it. You can play with it. And it's fun. You need an account, which means you will pay for it. And it will take your name, phone, email, address, and put that into the content information so that when you make a website, you only need 2 questions. What is your business category, and what do you call it? Then it makes the website in under 2 minutes. It's got headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs, photos, all the content. Anything you want to change, You click, you get this screen on the side. You can change that and edit that the way you want it to be. Click save, and your page is automatically updated. It's that easy, that fun. You can publish without a domain if you want, or you can just preview it and see how that looks for you. If you do this, have your affiliate link on the page, so when you show your friends and they say, "Where did you get this?" you can show them. They can see it for themselves, and that would be a really good way to do the affiliate link. So that costs you a few bucks, but it's not much. It also comes with a guarantee. If you really want your money back, you can do that. You can go through that process. The other thing is that I offer a reseller program. Now here's the deal. Nobody has ever gotten rich by working for the man. You work for a big corporation and they make the money. Yeah, they pay you, and maybe they pay you well, but it's not your business, and you didn't become a millionaire doing that. Millionaires, generally speaking, started their own business, and they built that business up, and they got other people to work for them. You can be my reseller. You get your own business. You get to set your own prices, your own specials, your own discounts, your own products. You sell our products, but you can choose which ones you want to sell. You sell our products with your brand name, and you are responsible for running your business. And you can make, within limits, you can make any choices you want. You can get a storefront that automatically has the payment gateway. It's automatically translated into about 55 different market, language, and country localizations. We take 40-some currencies, and we have something like 27 or 28 different languages. So especially if you're a person who has a connection with an association or a group of people, and maybe they already have a website, but would they rather pay GoDaddy or would they rather pay you? If the transition was free and the price was the same, you can do very well with this business. And you know lots of people who have a website. And they would rather maybe save $1, pay you, and get something better out of the deal. Those are several things. The website is secureserversites.com. secureserversites.com. The links are at the bottom of every page. I'll also put the links at the bottom of this YouTube video. And there's also a translation at the bottom, a translation link at the bottom of this video. If you know another language and you can translate this video, you can own that market. You can sell our products with your brand in your language, and you have a huge potential. The great thing, as I said, doing the work once and getting paid again and again and again and again is really clearly evident in the website business. Here's why. Somebody signs up with you for whatever price, say in January. And maybe it's only $100 or $1,000 or whatever it is. Okay. But next month or next year, they pay you again automatically without you having to do or say anything. So if you are a reseller and you sell something this month and you sell something next month and you sell something the following month, next year you've now got 2 of those every month. Next year you've got 3 of those every month. The following year you've got 4 of those every month. That's how this accumulates. This is why I say when you do the work, it is hard work. There's no question. This is hard work. But I will help you. I've been doing this since 2003. If you sell a website and you need help, I'll help you make it. I will. I'll help you. The website reseller account costs $500. It's $4.99. Go out and sign up for me. Go out and sell a website to a new person for $4.99. I will help you build it. Make sure they are satisfied, and then we can move them for free. It would cost you nothing. You can't beat that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and good luck. Hope to see you on the inside. Bye for now.